Let's talk about the Bangalore team. Yes, oh, you fans have been waiting. Here it comes. Is this going to be Bangalore's year? Is the question we ask every curtain raiser before the tournament begins. And we shall ask it again this year. And we will just play the answers that Joy and Harsha gave us last year.
No, I have new answers. And I'll tell you why. Firstly, today is Shabana Azmi's birthday and she's one of our finest actresses. Now, while we remember her for a lot of art films, one of the films she acted in is Amar Akbar Anthony. She played a part in Amar Akbar Anthony. And here's what I think, that A.B. de Villiers, Moeen Ali and Virat Kohli are this year's Amar Akbar Anthony. Finally, they will get it together this year. That's my belief. They are going to do it this year.
I thought going Shabana Azmi did Fakira as well, and I'm thinking, okay, she did Fakira, she did Parvaris, those kind of to RCB. You know, all the RCB analysis that I've seen, I've never heard this.
Yeah. Sir, this is really Roop Mahal Prem Gali Kholi number 420.
420.
बिल्कुल 420 वाला दिया आपने. पर आप अब बोल ही रहे हैं Veya Amar Akbar Anthony, then can you tell me who is Jeevan? Who's Robert?
That's the opposition.
Opposition is Robert. Done. Zivesco. So there you go. They also have Zivesco. They have Aaron Finch. Zivesco. They have Aaron Finch as well this time. The strong man. Of course, coming off some success in England. Great experience with white ball. Can be part of the leadership unit. Right there. But the thing is, will he play? That's the question, Joy. Will he play? Will he find a place in the 11?
You know, I think even though they're saying that, you know, this is traditionally RCB have struggled with their bowling because, you know, but part of the fact is that you're at 2,500 feet, the small ground, the ball flies off. So the point is, this is not anywhere pitch in which you're going to play a lot of fast bowlers, not if you can help it. I genuinely feel Moeen Ali is crucial to their chances because he can bat anywhere in the order. From 3 to 7, he can bat anywhere in the orders. You can float him around. And I feel if you play Moeen Ali, Finch up front, you've got AB in the middle, go with just one bowler because the kind of conditions we have, it's playing 2 international fast bowlers will not make a substantial difference. Umesh Yadav can be pretty effective. Navdeep Saini is pretty effective on this pitch. I would definitely not go anywhere else. So if you have those 3 bowlers playing, you have Moeen Ali bowling, you have Chahal, who's probably their best bowler at this point in time, and you play one more spinner. Pawan Negi can play. Pawan Negi is a decent spinner. Washington Sundar can play.
You have Shivam Dube.
Shivam Dube, he's not. He's dibbly-dobbly. He's here and there, and he's never.
It's more a spinner than a pace bowler, right? It's just that.
No, but he belongs to the Venkatesh Prasad school of fast bowling.
But he gives you the option, right? He gives you the option of those overs, maybe a couple of overs right there. I'll just pull the squad up again because an interesting point you made about the bowlers. Because if you want to play Moeen Ali, AB and Aaron Finch, that means you're only playing one international bowler. And that means you have to choose between Chris Morris, Isuru Udana, Zampa and Dale Steyn. You're not playing Zampa because you're playing Chahal. It's pretty much like for like, right? So is it Dale Steyn, Udana or Morris? Who's your pick, Harsh?
I actually think if they have to play Moeen Ali, is that Joy wants Moeen Ali to play to prove his Amar Akbar Anthony theory so that he can, all that story that he came round to telling, so that he can justify that story. If Shivam Dube can bat at number 6 for India, then he has to be able to bat number 5 for India, for RCB. Can play at 5. Look, the reason you want Moeen Ali in that side is there's AB and there's Virat. Right? I've always said these are the 2 pillars, but increasingly I think that, as I said on the preview, they're the giant trees in whose shadow nothing has grown for the last so many years. And all these saplings that are inside have now to come out and say, we are trees. Take the pressure off those 2. You want Finch at one and Moeen Ali at the other to allow these 2 people to go and play freely. But if Shivam Dube can play at 5, Shivam Dube, Washington Sundar, Chris Morris, and that still leaves you with one overseas player to play. Either Dale Steyn at the start of the wickets are doing something, and slow Isuru Udana, who can go and tonk at 8 as well. The other option is that Kohli opens, Moeen bats at 3. So Joy is right to the extent that Moeen Ali possibility, but Moeen is coming into this tournament. He's got 1 match-winning innings, but he's done very little else. So I don't know what his form is. You've already got spin. My feeling is they need to protect their death bowling, and to protect that death bowling, they need another overseas player. You tell RCB comes Umesh Yadav bowling at the death, and they'll say Namade, no man, can't be Namade this year, because Umesh Yadav will give you wickets up front, but maybe not bowl at the death. So they need to protect. That's why I think they'll play 2 overseas bowlers.
Well, their RCB's problem has historically been that they take a lot of time to find their ideal 11. They always have a great squad, but getting that correct mix, the ideal 11, usually takes them a lot of time. And by the time they get there, the other teams have put a lot of distance. And of course, there's a young man there, Devdutt Padikkal, who everyone is really looking forward to seeing. Harsha, would he open? Would he open for you?
I think the entire Padikkal family is going to whichever temple they like to go, and they're praying to a deity called A.B. de Villiers. A.B. Garu, please keep wickets. A.B., please keep wickets. Because if A.B. keeps wickets, then Parthiv need not play, then Padikkal can play. If Parthiv has to play, where does Padikkal play? So I have a feeling that someone is slipping notes under A.B. de Villiers' room every day. Keep wickets. Keep wickets. I don't know how much a 35, 36-year-old back can take 14 games, so it's only 20 overs. But if AB can keep wickets, that opens up Devdutt Padikkal to. I met Finch. Where did I meet Aaron Finch? Some months ago. And he said, I'm looking forward to playing with that young left-hander. So obviously, the Finch that this kid is something special. So I think they desperately want to play Padikkal, but for that to happen, AB has to keep wickets.
And if AB does indeed keep wickets, that does open up a lot of stuff for them. And he's desperate for a title as well. I don't know how many tournaments he's got left in him. He definitely wants to prove that point in red. So you never know. And if he does that, just means one thing, that we won't get to see his shenanigans in the outfield. But well, I don't think Bangalore fans will mind at all.